Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and today we'll have a look at StormX. Before we get this video started, allow me to declare this video is not financial advice. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes and for educational purposes. So what exactly is StormX? StormX is a decentralized platform where online shoppers can earn cryptos and shopping rewards, and STMX is the token to govern the platform in the upcoming line of StormX debit cards. Now, the Seattle-based StormX Inc. has been introducing people into the world of cryptocurrency through a unique approach. By introducing the concept of crypto cashbacks, online shoppers can gain gradual exposure to cryptocurrency by earning cryptos as they shop. With an app of the same name, StormX introduces cryptos to people who don't intend directly in purchasing or investing in crypto. Can refer to the platform, the mobile app, or the Chrome browser extension. Technically, StormX is a decentralized platform that runs on Ethereum. And the mobile app and the browser extensions are two interfaces for users to interact with the platform. StormX allows users to earn popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and also the StormX's very own token and the STMX. The way users earn these is by first enabling the Chrome browser extension and then shopping at the preferred online partners such as eBay, Microsoft, Uber, Nike, and more. Users can potentially earn up to 80% in crypto cashback as a shopping reward. They can also choose an option for which popular cryptocurrencies they would like to earn. The StormX mobile app can also offer additional features such as micro-task rewards, where users can take quick surveys or other simply marketing errands in order to earn additional cryptocurrencies. So what exactly is the token used for? That's a really big question, and it's important to understand StormX in general. StormX Token, or STMX for short, is an ERC20 token for governance and staking of the StormX platform. Being an ERC20 token means that the token was issued on Ethereum blockchain and is easily deposited into an Ethereum wallet such as MetaMask, Exodus, or hardware wallet Ledger. However, in order for STX to fully function as intended, the wallet must be connected to the StormX app. This can also result in an upgrade whereby a user can potentially earn higher rewards. Staking can also earn users some passive incomes. It is still unclear as to why staking is necessary since StormX runs on Ethereum, which currently runs with a proof of work consensus protocol. StormX is also not a native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum blockchain. So how exactly is the STMX distributed, the StormX token? STMX used to be called the Storm token with the ticker code STORM, Storm. Regardless of the name change, there will only ever be 10 billion StormX tokens in existence. The token was sold in a crowd sale, another word for initial coin offering or ICO, in 2017, which helped raise $32 million for StormX Inc. Now, over 41% of the tokens were sold to early investors in the initial coin offering or crowd sale event. 10% has been awarded to users, perhaps as a cashback. 25% are kept for the company. 23.2% are locked, possibly for staking and governance purposes, which is really good, by the way. So what exactly is the future of StormX? StormX Inc. is founded by Simon Yu and Calvin Heisch. As of 2021, both of them still hold the position of CEO and CTO, respectively, and have involved the same people in the core team throughout their 7-year growth. Now, the best way to learn more about StormX is possibly on the StormX website. You can learn more about the teams and everyone involved. Now, since 2014, StormX Inc. has experimented with other products that leads to the success of current concepts of StormX platform. StormX is a platform used to focus on interactive marketing. Businesses can partner with this platform to encourage users to try new products and games by installing apps and doing other micro tasks like completing surveys, sharing the apps, and leaving reviews. Now, in additional news on StormX, governance token update, launch and claiming. 2 things that must happen to be eligible to receive governance token at launch. You must connect to a rewards wallet by October the 15th this year, 2021. You must have completed one or more combination of the following by October 15th, 2021. Completed shopping trip, completed play task, voted on a proposal at governance.stormx.io, earn staking rewards, holding a StormX NFT in your wallet on October the 15th, 2021. So there's definitely a few things. Different options that people can do to receive governance token at launch. So this is actually quite good. So if you want to check this out for yourself, it's on their blog, on their website, so it's quite easy to check out. And just to read through it, just to get a proper understanding. Now the launch plan is set for early November. Create upgradable ERC20 token governance token. Enable power users of StormX platform to claim governance token. Create StormX space on snapshot.org. Launch Gov STMX and Gov ETH liquidity pool on Uniswap v3 as a service for users. Governance tokens will be claimable for 3 weeks. After that, the unclaimed tokens will be returned to the StormX treasury to be used for reward future users. With the governance token, we're doing this to ensure that active users of the platforms are ones who are receiving the most governance power. Now, in the mind of StormX philosophy, open source software, that's the way to build a great product, is to empower the community. Members can vote on proposals that the core team needs to input on. Over time, the community can even collaborate on their own projects that empowers StormX ecosystem while receiving support from core team. Projects could be technical or non-technical in nature. The phase described above, just the beginning on the long road to decentralization. The road is long, highly experimental, and unique to our StormX ecosystem. Now just remember, StormX governance token has no economical value. It is a governance token used only to vote within the StormX ecosystem. It has no claim on financial rights. So that's quite interesting that they've added that there just to explain to people how simple it can be. Now what we can do is that we can go for our price analysis and price prediction for the StormX token. So the current price of this token is actually at 0.032 cents. Now quite incredibly, since the 22nd of June, this token has more than doubled in its price. In fact, it's worth almost 3 times as much right now as we speak. And dare I say almost 3 times as much, because the price was around 0.011 cents and the price right now is almost 3 times as much. So that's quite incredible. What this tells us is that the growth is extremely strong. It's managed to accomplish this in a matter of a few months. What drives this growth? Well, it's volume. It's more money being added to the market, but it's more money being put into this cryptocurrency specific. That, my friend, is called volume. So we've got volume, we've got the growth, and the growth is strong. And a good thing is that there's a lot of fresh hype in the market for StormX, which is good as well because it's going to need that momentum to drive the price up to 10 cents, which is what I'm looking at before the end of the year or hopefully early next year. Now, on the other hand, we've got Christmas coming up, and obviously this is why my evidence for a pullback lists Christmas pump and dump. People are going to sell their crypto early before Christmas so they can put their money elsewhere. They can buy gifts, they can plan trips, holidays. So the crypto market and the financial market will go down in volume because people are spending their money on other things. But here's where it gets interesting. which is why I still think it can hit 10 cents before the end of the year or early next year. It's simply because investors always try to invest early before the start of the new year. That's one. But they also want to invest at a point when the market is at its lowest. And the market will be at its lowest when people start selling, when people stop investing because of Christmas, the run up to Christmas. And this is when people are going to be investing in the market because it's going to be at the lowest prices. In short, this will create a lot of volatility. And in some cases, it could trigger a complete crash. And a crash could be temporary. Sometimes it could be a matter of hours, could be a matter of days or weeks or months. But in this case, because of how strong the ecosystem right now for all crypto, the financial system for crypto is extremely strong. Bitcoin is hovering around 55,000 US dollars quite easily. 100,000 US dollars is on the horizon. I would not be surprised if Bitcoin hit 100,000 US dollars before the end of next year. I wouldn't be surprised. I just wouldn't. Nothing surprised me anymore. Now, in the last month alone, the price have been going down mostly, but overall, there's been plenty of volatility in the market. Plenty of volatility because you can see for yourself that the patterns keep on occurring. I've drawn up most of my patterns with the purple lines to show you the tiny patterns that are emerging. I've also drawn up the yellow waves, and this is a wave system. It's to show you how much volume the market is being generated, just how strong the growth is. Whenever you're doing your price analysis and you're drawing your lines, you want your waves to be nice and smooth and stable and simple. But the more volatility you have in the market is the more unpredictable a certain asset can be. And you don't really want that in particular. But lately, this is where things get interesting. I've noticed that there's definitely more volatility within the market for StormX. And you can see for yourself. Since the 4th of September, when the price hit its all-time high, there's been plenty of volatility. And I've drawn up this pink line to describe and show you just how much volatility there has been. This can be good for short-term trading. Long-term investments, it's not good. So it's going to create more volatility and it could create crashes. You got to be prepared for that. But this was my price analysis and price prediction. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see more, leave a like, leave a comment, and of course, I will see you in my next video. Thank you.